welcome back to Lawrenceburg Public Library's Cozy Cuddles Storytime. I am Miss Megan. I'm so happy to see you again. If you're here for the first time, welcome. I can't wait to meet you and get to know you and have so much fun with you. Okay, today we are going to talk about letter I. This is an iguana. We have these craft kits available at either of the library locations for you to pick up. But that's for later. Let's start with our opening song. We have to do one thing before we do anything else. We have to shake our sillies out. Are you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Gotta shake our sillies out. Shake our sillies out. Shake our sillies out and wiggle our waggles away. We gotta clap our crazies out. Clap our crazies out. Clap our crazies out and wiggle our waggles away. We gotta jump our jiggles out. Jump our jiggles out. Jump our jiggles out and wiggle our waggles away. Oh, we gotta yawn our sleepies out, yawn our sleepies out, yawn our sleepies out, and wiggle our waggles away. We gotta shake our sillies out, shake our sillies out, shake our sillies out, and wiggle our waggles away. Hey! Great job, everyone! Our sillies are all shaken out. Okay, it's time to start with letter I. Do you know what letter I looks like? Let's draw it together. Can you use your fingers to follow with me and draw letter I? Here's how we start. Let's start with big letter I. Big I. We start with one line here, across. Can you draw with your finger? Boop. And then we go down. Ready? Boop. That looks like letter T, but we're not finished, okay? What comes next? Yeah, use your finger. Boop. Great job, that's letter I. That's big letter I. What is little letter I? Because each letter has two forms. Each letter can look different. Let's do little I. Here's what little I looks like. Are you ready? Boom. One line. It's short, right? It's a short because it's little. And then what's missing? A little dot. A little I has a dot. That's big I, big I, and then little I. These are what letter I looks like. Great job, guys. Trace with your finger with me. Over, down, over. Big I. Now let's make little I. Down and point. You make a dot? Boing! Good job! Excellent work! Okay, guys, let's start with our first book. Here it is. It's called My I Sound Box. It's like the book we read last week was My H Sound Box. This one is like that, okay? Which means we're gonna have to make a name for our main character. We get to name her, just like we named our last character. Okay. What should we name our character? Her name starts with an I. What are some names that start with I? Isabel, Inez. Edith is usually spelled with an E. Let's go with Isabel. That's a good one that starts with I. That's the first one I can think of. Okay. Little Isabel had a box. I will find things that begin with my I sound, she said. I will put them into my sound box. That's right, I forgot to talk about what sound letter I makes. What sound does letter I make? It makes two sounds because it's special. It's a vowel. Letter I makes I is the sound letter I makes. Or it makes I, like letter I. This sounds like I. Okay. So, little Izzy is putting things into her sound box, okay? Little Izzy went skip, skip, skip up a hill. Here she goes. She found inchworms, lots of inchworms. The inchworms wiggled and wiggled. Inchworm starts with, what's the first letter here? The first letter is little I, that's right. Inchworms. What wiggly inchworms, she said. Did she put the inchworms into her box? She did. Then Izzy found iguanas, lots of iguanas. The iguanas wiggled and wiggled. Can we say iguana? This is a type of lizard, it's an animal. What wiggly iguanas, she said. She put the iguanas into the box with the inchworms. Very good. But the inchworms did not like the iguanas. The inchworms jumped out of the box. Where are they going? The iguanas jumped out too. Away they went. Little Izzy could not find the inchworms or the iguanas. They were hiding. She can't find them. Then little Izzy found an igloo. What is an igloo? It's made out of ice. It's a type of house. Did she put the igloo into her box? She did. In goes the igloo. Just then, the sun came out. Can you guess what happened to the igloo? The igloo's made out of ice. The igloo melted! Because it's made out of ice. Now who will help me fill my box, she said. Here comes her friend. This is her friend. He's going to help her. First, they found big green insects. Lots of big green insects. What is an insect? An insect is a bug that buzzes. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Well, that's a bee. A bee's not an insect. Is a bee an insect? I don't know. It's a good research project. I don't know. But an insect is a little bug. Okay, lots of big green insects. Next, they found yellow insects and brown insects. Where are the yellow insects? Yeah, 1, 2, and the brown insects? There. Then they found red and black insects. Good. What else can we do, said little Izzy. We can make an insect zoo. You can visit it too, he said. Little Izzy's word list. Here are all of the things she put in her box. Igloo. Say with me. Inchworm. Iguana. Insect. Good job. Here are some other words that start with I. Can you guess what they are? This is inch, like on a ruler. Ink. And instruments, very important. Ice cream, ice. Great job, guys. Excellent work. Okay, all right, guys. Now, we're going to do something very exciting. We're gonna build an ice cream cone. Ice cream starts with letter I. So, we're gonna make an ice cream cone, okay? We're gonna use our flannel board. Okay, are you ready to make ice cream? We're gonna do it in a rhyme, okay? Here we go. Let's start with, very important, the cone. You want to put our cone, let's put our cone here, okay? Right here. This is good, right? No, we're gonna move it up. Gonna move it up so that we can see it on the camera. Here we go. Here we go. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. We have ice cream, the best in town. Let's start with delicious chocolatey brown. Here's chocolate brown. That's our first flavor. Okay. Vanilla white is a simple, sweet taste. This ice cream certainly won't go to waste. Lemon ice cream is, what color? Yellow and sweet. The lemony flavor is a delicious treat. It's time for the next flavor. Mint chocolate chip is smooth and green. It is the smoothest that I've ever seen. Okay, a special Midwest flavor called Blue Moon. Have you ever tried Blue Moon ice cream? A special Midwest flavor called Blue Moon. A blue fruity mystery. I want it soon. Strawberry ice cream is red and pink. Strawberry flavor is the best, I think. Okay, we have ice cream, the best in town. Let's top it off with more chocolatey brown. Great job. Look at all of our ice cream. There's so much. Do you think you could eat this much ice cream? Oh my gosh, I couldn't eat that much. It's so much. Very good. Great job, guys. Excellent work. It's time for our next story. Are you ready? This is called The Little Eye Who Lost His Dot. That's right. Let's go back to our letters. This is letter I, but this is big I. This is little I. Little I has a dot. What would happen if little I lost his dot? Oh my gosh, we're gonna find out. Let's see what happens. The little I who lost his dot. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's his alarm. The alarm clock rang to the alphabet song. Little I sat up, stretched, and rubbed his eyes. It's the last day of alphabet school, Little I says. This is Little I. And is this his dot? Yeah, that's Little I and his dot. He saw his letter friends on the playground and hurried to join them. Little G and little P pointed and little S stared. Little I, they said, where is your dot? Little I doesn't have a dot. There should be a dot right there if he's letter I, right? He lost his dot. Little I looked up. He looked to the left. He looked to the right. But his dot was not there. What will you do without your dot? Little A asked. Little W whimpered. Little H handed her a hanky. All of the letters crowded around letter I. Don't worry, they said. We'll help you find a new dot, the letters say. The letters will help him. The school bell rang. It was time to make words. All the little letters scrambled into school. But Little I's friends didn't forget their plan. When they got to the classroom, the letters looked around. They're all looking around. You see the letters looking around the classroom? They're going to try to help him find a new dot. Little A asked, how about this acorn? Little B burst forward with a balloon. Little C cried, try on this clock. Little D dashed over with a donut. Those sound like they could be good dots. Little E exclaimed, an egg is exactly what you need. Little F followed with a flower. Little G giggled when he found a gumball, and little H handed over a hula hoop. All the letters are helping. And then little Z zoomed over with a 0. Little I tried them all on, but nothing felt right. None of them are his dot. When school ended, all the little letters went out to where their parents were gathered. So these are the little letters, and then the big letters are their parents. Little I saw his father. That's big I, right? Little I saw his father and sniffled back tears. Dad, I lost my dot, he said. Capital I smiled. No, little I, you didn't lose your dot. You left it on your pillow this morning. That's right, we saw it on his bed. I brought it along, but since today is the last day of alphabet school and you've grown up, I'm not sure you need your dot anymore. What do you think? Do you really think I'm ready to be a big I? Capital I nodded. Stretch out your arms and point your feet. There he is. Little I did, and when he saw his shadow on the ground, he smiled. Dad, I look just like you. I can start a sentence now. Great job. Great job, everyone. Little I found his dot at the end, but he can be a capital big I now. Great job, everyone. Excellent work. Okay, are you ready for another finger play? Are you ready? Let's do Itsy Bitsy Spider. Wow, Itsy. What kind of word is Itsy? It starts with an I sound, right? How do we spell Itsy? Are we ready? Itsy, the itsy bitsy spider. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job! Let's try one more time, okay? Let's start here. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job! Excellent work, everyone. Great job. Okay, are you ready for our goodbye song? It's been so great. It's been so great to see you today. Are you ready for our goodbye song? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Shh, being really quiet. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Now sing really loud! Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye! Great job, everyone! I'll see you next time!